Could ancient legends and archaeological mysteries point to the existence of a race of 12-foot-tall beings who once roamed Earth, building awe-inspiring megalithic structures? From the towering myths of Atlantis to the whispered tales of the Nephilim, humanity's story seems to be intertwined with giants, beings whose origins might stretch beyond the confines of our planet. It all starts with the Anunnaki, the enigmatic figures etched into Sumerian tablets, the so-called gods who descended from the skies. According to Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki came to Earth for gold, not to enrich their coffers, but to save their world. Ancient records suggest their planet, Nibiru, had a deteriorating atmosphere, and gold dust was needed to shield it. But was gold simply to mend their skies? Or could this precious metal have fueled their advanced interstellar technologies? Ships capable of traversing galaxies in their quest for domination and resources. The story becomes even stranger when the Anunnaki reportedly manipulated Earth's genetic fabric. The legends tell of their mingling with native humans to create hybrid offspring, beings called nephilim, who were giants in size and strength. Genetic manipulation wasn't new to these celestial architects. It's said that their experiments with DNA created a race of beings far beyond our comprehension, perfectly engineered for building megalithic wonders like Stonehenge, the pyramids of Egypt, and ancient cities whose ruins defy explanation. Skeletal evidence adds another layer to the mystery. From North America to Europe, thousands of oversized skeletons have been unearthed, some reaching heights of 10 and 12 feet. Many discoveries have been documented, only to vanish from public view, leading to speculation about hidden agendas aimed at suppressing evidence of giants. Is it fear of rewriting history, or could there be a deeper attempt to bury humanity's forgotten connection to beings from the stars? And then there's Atlantis, the fabled city that vanished beneath the waves. Many argue that the civilization of Atlantis might have been a colony founded by the Anunnaki themselves. Legends describe Atlanteans as tall, godlike beings with unparalleled knowledge of construction, energy, and science. If they were indeed Nephilim, it's no stretch to imagine how their gigantic stature and advanced intellect enabled them to build titanic structures that we can hardly replicate even today. Remarkably, some stories suggest that giants might still exist in pockets of isolation. Cryptic reports from remote areas describe encounters with towering beings, perhaps ancestors of the Nephilim or remnants of an erased lineage. Could the Anunnaki's genetic experimentation have left a lasting legacy on Earth? But all this begs the question, why did the Anunnaki come here in the first place? Was it only gold they sought, or were their ambitions far greater? Did they see Earth as a resource-rich launchpad for interstellar conquest, using humanity as labor and experimenting with hybrid genetics to push the boundaries of life itself? Were they architects of our world, or merely exploiters?